In this video, I'll show you how to find and copy Sound ID on Roblox Mobile. So if you want to use a particular sound on Roblox, then we can do this by copying the ID number. So the first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser, and then from here, just head over to roblox.com. Now you need to make sure that you're using the web version of Roblox, as this won't work in the app. So from this screen here, just click on continue in browser right at the bottom. Then when you're on this page, just click on create from the top navigation. Over in the top left hand side, click on the navigation icon. In the top left hand side, click on create a hub, and then from here just come down and click on store. Now once you're inside of the store, we just need to select audio from the top navigation, and then from here you can go down the list and select the sound that you want to use. You can either just scroll down and select a sound in category from here, or you can just use the search feature if there's a particular audio that you want to use. Once you've selected your sound, we can just hit this drop down arrow like so, and you'll have two options, either more info or get audio. So all you need to do is click on the more info button, and now from here, in order to get the ID number, you need to head over to the URL section of the website, and then you're just going to move your mouse cursor all the way across to the right like so, and this number in the middle is basically our sound ID number. So all you're going to do is select that certain part of the URL. You don't want any of the forward slashes or anything around it. It's literally just the number that you need to copy, and once you have this selected, we can hit the copy button, and now with that ID number you can go ahead and use that in the Roblox app. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you find and copy Sound ID on Roblox Mobile. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.